Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Berkshire Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in berkshirebank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Berkshire Bank. Click on the login button from the homepage at the top right corner and you will be asked to choose your login options. Choose your preferred option from the drop-down menu and then click on the proceed to login. You will then be allowed to enter your credentials. So type in your username that you have set up while signing up for your account, and then underneath type in your account password within the password box. You can also enter your email address if you wish to do so instead of your username. After entering both of these credentials, click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Berkshire Bank right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on forgot your username or password and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Berkshire Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.